Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. What I am going to make for today, I am going to make I guess you would call it an apple cobbler cake, some type of dessert. I saw this on TikTok and I am going to attempt to make it. So what you will need some apple pie filling of any brand. So I got about 3 cans. Then you're going to need Dunkin Hines Classic Yellow Cake Mix. You can use any brand, so I chose Dunkin Hines. Then you're going to need some caramel or caramel. So this is not sugar-free. You can use sugar-free, you can use any type of caramel or caramel, whatever you may call it. So this is the brand that I've gotten. I've gotten Smuckle Sundae Syrup, caramel. Then you're going to need some butter, any brand of butter. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to layer my pan with the apple pie filling. So I'm using about 3 cans. Then I'm going to add my caramel. Okay, I'm going to save this for later to add on top after it is cooked. Now I'm going to add my yellow cake mix. This is a TikTok dish. It may be on YouTube, I'm not sure, but I saw this recipe on TikTok. I'm a TikToker, you guys. Y'all need to check my TikTok out, and it is the same name as my YouTube. It's Happy Dimples 39. I'm going to pat it down. Pat it down. Yeah, this is not keto, but I want to deprive myself of eating something sometimes. Okay, now I'm going to slice my butter and make sure you cover it very well. You have to cover it very well so that it can cook evenly, so that you won't have no type of powder on your cake, because your butter is to moist the cake. I already have my oven preheated at 350 degrees. At 350 degrees. Okay, I think that should be enough. Let's see, one more. Y'all, this is going to be really tasty. So I will be back after this is done, okay? And now that my apple cobbler cake is finished, I'm going to spread some Smuckle Sundae Syrup caramel on top of it. And after it cools off, I am going to put some whipped topping on it, so stay tuned. Okay, y'all, here it is. It smells so good. But let's try this, y'all. This is what I was craving for and decided to go ahead and make it. So I wish y'all can have some. Taste it, taste it, taste it. It's good, y'all. Have some. Have some. Have some. It's still hot. Have some. Mm. It's still hot. You can eat it cold or you can eat it hot. Look at this. Still hot. I put it in the oven at 350 degrees and I kept it in the oven for 1 hour. 1 hour and 10 minutes. And half of the hour and 10 minutes, I turned my dish so it can be perfectly brown on, you know, both sides or throughout. So yes, for 1 hour and 10 minutes, that's how long I baked it for. You guys, why don't you try it? That is it. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss any of my videos. You never know what I may have next. I do multiple things here on this channel. I want to thank my new subscribers. Welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. And thanks to the ones that's been with me from the very beginning. Thank you all. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you will not miss any of my videos. Come back now. Like I said, you will never know what I may have next for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. And please go to Facebook and like my page for the love of beauty. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and feel free to click on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much and be blessed. Bye-bye.